Hello, my name is Amir Muhammad. Today I want to talk about my modern sample project, which demonstrates how to build scalable and maintainable Android applications. In this news application project, I've used Kotlin version 2.0, Hilt for dependency injection, and retrofit for network calls. I've also implemented room for local database and caching, following an offline first approach. For handling large datasets from my API, I've used paging tree. In terms of architecture, I've applied clean architecture, which is modular by feature. I've also used the MVI pattern for the unidirectional data flow and clear separation of concerns. Lastly, my project follows a single activity approach, and I've used Jetpack Compose for the UI. Let's dive into what I've done in this project.